this medium, see the message at Jeba. Yeah, swear the way. You know what? Get one call your name. One call your name at Jeba. Run dog bona. No, he out na. I said he not swear anywhere. At Jeba. Mazwo. Veko bete. Iagui. Umagwa yoni. Bori labjanode. All the way. Pregnancy apology. Only matter pregnancy apology. Apology will not get back, it not get front. Apology will not get head. Ekobete fans, they grabbed the apology. They were all happy. Oh, God of Ekobete, now thunder fire. God of Ekobete, now thunder fire. Waibo, administrative with social media. Wa kigwela webo, wa kifika cat, wa ya bully no gewi. Sense, common sense is not common in this life. Ekobete, since when you begin to respect Francomo's wife. Where he Kevin, boy, depression. What do you want depression person body? Ekobete. You will step. His staircase the shift every day. As we enter December 1st now, your staircase where they climb, they do over Sabi, they shift. Cancel us how we are. Now you want depressed person. Ekobete. Now you want depressed person. What depressed man? Which of una saga they depress anybody? I mean, you wanna go that side. The reason why people love me is because they know say my saga I spice am with Maggie. My saga they come with all those grill meats. It is saga yari. Or say when I'm not on live video, people always call me. Okay, please come on live video. Now the Oghogho where they cause me people love me. Yari party you know them. MC the thief is celebrate. Nuga ati Till today, they say they book me for shows. I know how much I make last night on the show, on a one night show. Then why you know game we say, I book you 7th of December, I get show. 14th of December, I get show. 21st, I get show. 28th, I get. 3rd of January, which is 2025. I pay half payment. Go better. Again, you I was a little way. Me I see back badana. Can I sell this agbada? You know, since I leave you, my life have changed for good. Nonsense. Why so go? Mazwo. The other day I called the talk say, I'll join a better saga you. Now, I want to confess. I was just wanting you people to fight. Or say not away. Mazwo. Ladia. Don't go better go. Yeah, they be go. Okay, no. Mama. Man, ya deba. Wagbelebu wa omakawe. Then ofete premeyi. When only wa gbo Mozwo because of Mozwo deserve him. Because why all of them gang up against the Nogewi. Today, all of them are scattered. They are scattered in the name of Jesus. They are scattered in the name of Jesus. They are scattered. Of your thought, they saga Mozwo. Ekobete, de saga Francomo's is ring Ekobete. And now you they tell us say Ekobete na adulterous. Niva bo fiakolelwe. Niva bo la wegbe. Iba we yanta Ekobete adulterous, you know. To be sincere, Ekobete win Mozwo for this saga. You know why? When your boss says sleep with Ekobete said, use on. Our moms will call the front piece with Ekobete. Nah, okay. Saganoga. Our moms will not talk put very matter in your say. Our moms will call the defender. Our moms will. You want me to play video where they say, Monica is best. Monica is this. No game. We maybe I bomb a vinana. Ekobete made the tap away of a truth. If you say more really talk, if Monica if Ekobete beats you, Ekobesto. If Ekobesto beat you from nothing, 2028, you're not supposed to even talk. For all the thing where you don't do, Ekobete. I will not bother tell about the reason why Ekobete be Uhundan be say, if Ekobete say not get topic, Ekobete don't they look for I want to squeeze matter to enter this severe matter. Oh, mom, yeah. I want me opportunity to allow. Now that way Ekobete win your Mozwo normally because Bogo Bore Umagwa. Don't be now you want to tell us an adulterous. When we both talk say he said user. When juju paper yana ario tijo, ina yati ebo. Oh God. So Agalicious Abo, I know you are my liar waiting for me. I will bring you in. So Agalicious Abo, you too get sense, oh. I never see person get sense like him. So Agalicious Abo, your sense in the smell. You know the apology we Abo do yesterday. He want make her feel as if say, you know, so some people they say, you know, get sit down, I sit down. Why this thing? You know, get stand up, I stand up. The things that the juju way they do now they work. Obo do wetin he do. Go check Obo. In the night, Obo that again say, the apology when he do now for only by kekia. Say I go better will not join. So why was that the jubilating? Why were you people not happy? Obo say, if you don't listen to what Obo talk, make I explain that to you again. Obo say as a go better be adulterous. He want join a go better. He want join Abrusekia. Where they behave like person where they spoil. Like vegetable man. Obo say he want be like those people. He want be like people when they be say, if truth come, no, now lie. Now people like pass for social media. So he want be like a Kobete and Abrusekia. For a Kobete first to begin the saga, Obo say, how dare you insult us like this? You know, Oghogho.